July 1st, AI Daily, TSMC and NVIDIA have started nanophotonic packaging mass production. Meta open sources new generation of massive data intelligent cleaning cluster. The second half of the year officially begins. The underlying computing power of global AI, high-speed communication and green energy architecture today has ushered in a new dimension of technical delivery. The semiconductor foundry giant TSMC today jointly announced with NVIDIA the next generation nanometer level photonic co-packaged CPU accelerator chip has officially entered the full-scale production stage. This process integrates ultra-high-density photovoltaic conversion module directly with AI and AI computing cores for heterogeneous integration, completely abandoning traditional copper wire electrical signals. This makes the chip-level interconnect bandwidth soar. It lays a solid hardware foundation for global tech giants. The threshold of artificial general intelligence in the field of data engineering, the source of large models. Meta officially open source to the world. Open sourced its latest massive multimodal data intelligent cleaning and alignment cluster system. In the past, when training trillion parameter models, cleaning hundreds of billions of TB of web pages, videos and images, it required huge computing power and labor costs. This newly open source system, through its built-in lightweight adaptive AI engine, can perform data deduplication, classification, and labeling. To deduplicate, classify, and label, categorize and label the data preparation cycle with large models. The data preparation cycle by nearly 70%. It greatly reduces the threshold for global developers to build vertical industry large models in the field of ultra-high-density computing power and the cooling limit of data centers. Server infrastructure giant Vertiv and supermicrocomputer today jointly released the latest pump-free self micro-canal liquid-cooled cabinet ecosystem. This technology supports the traditional power pump-driven fluid mode. It innovatively uses the chip itself, heat to generate a tinier pressure difference, to drive a special low boiling point insulation refrigerant, to perform spontaneous phase change cycle, with AI load flow prediction and dynamic tuning of the brain. The system successfully suppresses the nodes to a minimum. It not only achieves zero mechanical vibration, but also the cooling of the data center. Energy consumption PUE close to the physical limit. Not only local heat dissipation is evolving, the green energy of distributed edge computing, grid-connected power also ushered in a new paradigm shift. Amazon Web Services AWS announced today that its first multi-dimensional tidal energy direct connection and micro-smart energy storage integrated green computing power scheduling base is officially connected to the grid. Operate, running on the backbone network of cloud computing. The AI smart grid balancing algorithm can accurately predict the ocean tides, the periodic power fluctuations of tidal power generation, when the peak or trough of electricity demand occurs. The system can spontaneously, across different green data centers in the network, to migrate computing tasks between green data centers. This deep synergy of energy and computing power ensures 24 hours of continuous use of AI reasoning. It uses clean and low-carbon energy for 24 hours to ensure such a huge and complex global computing network from malicious digital threats. Today, Cisco officially launched a new generation of large-scale model-driven, optical network self-healing digital defense brain, running on cross-border data center fiber optical backbone routers, can identify and reconstruct the damaged data channels. Once potential malicious traffic attacks or hardware link anomalies, AI can automatically complete model training tasks, automatically complete the seamless migration and dynamic bypass. It builds an insurmountable moat, huge computing power, extreme liquid cooling, and smarter data networks. The development of artificial intelligence is changing at an unimaginable speed.